everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So for today's video, I'm gonna create this look using my NYX Off Tropic palette. So if you wanna see how I create this, keep watching. I'm priming my eyelids using my Milani eyeshadow primer and just dabbing it over my eyelids and spreading it using my ring finger. But I would prefer to use a brush to make it a seamless application. So I'm using this fluffy eyeshadow brush and just blending it over my lids. And this eyeshadow primer will help my eyeshadow to last longer and more vibrant. So for today's video, I'm using my NYX Off Tropic palette, and this is the third look that I'm gonna make for you guys. And using my shader brush, I'm just dipping my brush, to this shade and place it on my lids. As you can see, the eyeshadow is very pigmented, so I'm just dabbing it gently over my crease and just buffering it and blending it softly. With my fluffier shader brush, I'm just buffing the rough edges over the crease and blending it gently. The same brush, I'm dipping my brush to this color, just dabbing it gently because the eyeshadow is very pigmented, and adding it on the higher points of my crease and blending it and marrying them together. I'm using an eyeshadow primer and dabbing it over my lids using this flash shader brush. I'm just dabbing it gently to this green shimmery color of the palette and placing it on my eyelids. This kind of technique helps intensify the eyeshadow. Just dabbing it gently and creating an intensified look with using this green shimmery color to my eyelids. Now I'm taking this dark colored shade and placing it over my inner V using my small pencil brush to create a more defined inner V. Using my Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm just buffing the shadows to the inner eyelids, or I mean the inner V to the crease, and buffing some rough edges and creating a very clean look. Using my small flat shader brush, I'm dipping my shadow to the same color in the inner V and just placing it on my lower eyelids, on my waterline, and just creating and connecting them together, creating a pop of color. And I'm just using this purple color and putting it gently. I am just adding up more color of the green to my eyelids and just intensifying it even more. Using my Real Techniques flat shader brush, I'm just dipping my brush to this light color shade and just cleaning up and placing it on my lower eyebrows for highlight. So I'm just buffing up and cleaning some rough edges. After this, let me pop up my mascara and eyelashes, and I'm just gonna give you the final look. And this is the final look, guys. Just putting on my mascara and my eyelashes and just putting an eyeliner. And I hope you like the video, and I hope you like the look.
So this is the final look that I have created using my NYX Off Tropic palette. I love the outcome and I hope you do also. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on what you think, and I hope you enjoy watching the tutorial and you find it helpful as well. And if you like my content, I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorial every Thursdays. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!